1 second. Okay, so I think this is a new environment. Okay, so we know last time, I think you practice or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you
Practice.
practice that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just recall all the things what we discussed last week.
Mm.
So we just gone through this product information management,
Yeah.
where we have gone through the setup
Mm.
and product information management parameter. We discuss relation type, means alternate to product. Okay,
Mm.
and life cycle state, nomenclature, then dimension and variants, product dimension group. That means what type of product dimension is there, whether style, size, color, configuration. Okay, so this all we discuss when you and this is required when we are creating the product. Okay,
Okay.
after that, storage dimension nothing but how you are going to store the item.
Yeah.
Okay, so once, yeah, so whether you want to store the item site wise, where was site and warehouse is by default active, so
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
worry.
If
But
you want location or not, we need to.
yeah, you have to make it active.
Yeah.
Or suppose for advanced warehouse management, advanced warehouse using the item, then you have to select everything, then this
Okay.
use management parameter will be enabled. Okay, you can
Okay.
see here, for
Mm.
example, you can see here, you can see this, suppose this storage dimension will be used any item creation, then
Mm.
that item will be used as a advanced warehouse management item. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
and
No,
then, yeah.
no, this license plate you are going to cover in advanced warehouse management, right?
Yes. This
Okay.
license plate will be covered in the advanced warehouse manager. License
Okay.
plate is nothing but, I just give
Mm.
you one simple example. When you are, suppose you will see the pallet, the wooden pallet or plastic pallet. When you are purchasing any refrigerator or washing machine, below that one pallet is there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
called license plate. This we are giving one license plate.
No, license plate means it is a pallet. Huh?
It is generally called as pallet, because
Okay.
license is actually, license plate is a number. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
suppose for example, if you are going to buy cold drinks, cold drinks, coke cans
Mm.
or thumbs
Mm.
up can, you can
Mm.
buy at a time 4 5 can. You can see that every cone has the license plate number, and all are same license plate number, same license
Okay.
plate number. That means this 4 5 can coming into one pallet. Okay,
Okay.
so generally we are giving the license plate pallet wise. Okay,
Okay.
so this we will discuss in the advanced warehouse management, because whenever this storage dimension
Mm.
we are using the item creation, that
Mm.
item called as advanced warehouse management item. Okay,
Okay.
I
Okay.
will show you, I will show you. And tracking dimension is nothing but how you are going to track the item. Okay, whether batch number, I told you last time, batch
Yeah.
number is nothing but how you suppose through batch number, suppose any product will be faulty in future, so
Mm.
through batch number they will get to know for which location and which products now it is manufactured.
And which date? Hmm?
Yes,
Yeah.
makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
So serial number also know that every item has their unique serial number. Okay,
Mm.
and owner, this I will tell you at the time of inventory management module, ownership change, consignment
Yeah.
warehouse.
Okay.
Okay, so let it be. So the dynamics 365 environment also given sizes that you will create in your own size as per the customer requirement. You can see there are number of sizes are there.
Mm.
10 feet 6 inch, every number
Mm.
of sizes are there. We
Okay.
can use this only sizes because there are number of sizes are there, we don't require to create new one. Okay,
Mm.
so these are by default, the name is size means you will create in your own size. How will you create? Click new and give, suppose I'm clicking 10.5 feet. Okay, so save it. Okay, this is not there, so this size has been created. Then coming to size group. Size group means number of size, multiple size you should group together and make it one size group. So
Okay.
I will show you when we are creating one item, and
Mm.
I will use this size group. That means this item may be large, medium, small, extra large, or XSM, XML. Okay, XSL.
Okay.
So same as color, there are multiple colors are there. Okay, You can
Mm.
create your own colors. Okay, hexacode is nothing but the customer will give you to identify, because you can create same color 4 5 times, but the hexacode may be different because this is
Okay.
uniquely identified. Okay,
Okay.
so then same as color group. Style also maybe different item having different styles. Okay, and the style and style group, this is normal. You can practice after the class. I will see that. Okay,
Mm.
so now you can see I'm going to create one item. So maximum setup we have already done. Okay,
See, Gyandeep, sorry to
yeah,
interrupt you.
yeah.
So this product life cycle state and this product nomenclature we didn't
product
cover, right?
no, actually product lifecycle state is
Mm.
not required for creating the product. It
Okay.
is required at the time of master planning. Means
Okay.
this is another module which is
Mm.
advanced one. So, means
Okay.
when you will complete the fundamentals, you will know that the master planning is one module is there. It's a big module.
Okay.
There we are requiring the product life cycle, but the meaning of the product life cycle is depends upon when it will be going to end,
Mm.
or
Mm.
it will be obsolete, or it is operational. This is
Mm.
depend. You can see that one checkbox is there is active on for planning, mean master planning. This
Okay.
product lifecycle will be used only for master planning.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah, nomenclature is just item. You can do it when we will be practicing. You should explore
Mm.
these things. Okay,
Okay.
so now what happened, we are going to, yeah, product. So we have created product dimension group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension, everything we have created. Now we are
Mm.
going to product part. So you can see
Mm.
that how the product is creating. Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm going to the product. There are multiple things are there. All product and product master, products, product master, product variants, category, release product. So you will be confusing why this many things options are there. So there
Mm.
for each part having different functionalities. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm coming one by one. All product and what is all product and product master? Suppose you should click the all product and product master. It is nothing but the catalog.
Okay.
Means these products did not yet used anywhere. You can
Mm.
see that maybe this is you can suppose you can go to different entities. This product you will get it. These products are not at use till now. These are the only samples. You can say that in layman language, this is samples. These items are created but not at use.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see, suppose you want to use this product, select this one and release the product. Then
Okay.
it will be ready for use. I will show you. I just give you one by one meanings. After that I will show you. So uh, I will open one Excel file. 1 second. Okay, so there are two types of things are there in product. 1 second. Okay, so in product there are two things is there. Two things means what? Product with dimension, and product without dimension. That means what? Okay, with dimension, without dimension. Okay, so you know that every item has their own dimension. Dimension means we have configured here, whether this is style, size, color, configuration, or some product doesn't require these things. For example, I must tell you one simple example. When you are going to buy one manufacturing one car, so in car has their different colors, black, red, white, and different sizes and different style and different configuration. But some items are still there in manufacturing, that dimension is not required. For example, suppose you have one manufacturing company, you are using, suppose you are manufacturing small part of the car. Then you can use the screw bolts, you got that, having similar size. So this screw bolts having don't have any dimension.
Yeah.
Got it? So
Yeah,
some items has the dimension, some item doesn't have dimension.
okay.
This is only two things in everywhere.
Mm.
So for that, suppose those having dimension, okay, those having dimension, we are calling as in dynamics environment product master. That means we will create the product with dimension in product master. Okay, and
Okay.
those having don't without dimension, I'll mention
Mm.
here 1 second. Dimension. Okay, those product or item doesn't have dimension, we will call as product. Okay, that means the product with dimension, suppose the
Mm.
product having dimension, we will create this product in product master,
Mm.
and the product doesn't have dimension, we will create as a product. Okay, so you can now come to the environment. So you can see there are two things is there, product and product master.
So for our understanding only, we are creating like that, right?
Right. For your understanding and as
Mm.
per the customer requirement.
Okay.
Okay, so there are two things is there, product and product master. You got that idea where we are using the product and where we are using the product master, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And these three things, just see that these three things, product, product master, and release product.
Okay.
So what is the difference? Suppose I'm going to the products, click the products. So you can see I'm going to create one new product. So you can see here the product is not asking anywhere dimension when you are creating the product.
Okay.
No dimension. You can see only one option is the product. Suppose I'm creating one product, PROD, product one. Okay. Suppose SCR is a screw. The number already exists. Okay. 01. Okay. Okay. Suppose screws I am using. Retail category, nothing but only means this item coming under which retail category. This is retail management. Let it be. This item coming which category, whether electronics or exercise, you can select anything random. This screw bolts are coming generally in electronics department, you should click it okay. This is not
Or
required.
if it is a manufacturing, no, maybe
Ah,
stainless steel like that.
yeah.
What is the checkbox it is going to come here?
Oh, where
Retail category you told, no?
no, retail category is not required. Retail category means this will be means what, configured by the company wise,
Okay.
what they are requiring. This is not
Okay.
mandatory, means I'm
Mm.
just clicking for your information. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose some companies using electronics part, some companies are using manufacturing part. When you are
Yeah.
working any customized environment,
Mm.
they're already there, these things.
Okay.
Okay, this
Okay.
is another module, retail management, let it be.
Okay.
So when you have created the new product, you can see here I have not mentioned dimension, without dimension. Okay, there is no
Mm.
dimension is there. So
Mm.
click it okay. There is no product dimension, got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So click it okay. So when you click okay, 1 second, yeah. So you can see there are this the form of the product. Okay, only
Okay.
simple. When you are creating product, this is very simple, nothing
Mm.
is there. Okay,
Mm.
suppose you can see here in this action pane there is a dimension group is there. Dimension group means what? The storage dimension,
Storage
tracking dimension,
tracking
right?
dimension. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So when I'm clicking here, you can see this product dimension is disabled, not editable. That means
Yeah.
in product dimension is not required. Suppose
Mm.
I'm going to click giving the storage dimension, site warehouse, and tracking dimension. As of now, I'm not giving, I don't want to track this item. Click it OK. So see very carefully how it is creating the product. When you updated, it has been updated here also. Okay. So now I'm going to release the product. Now the product has been created. You can
Yeah.
see,
Yeah.
suppose I copy this product.
Mm.
I'm going to product information management. You can see now in the catalog the product came which we have created, but this is still not used yet. Okay, suppose you are going to the all product and product master, this tab not nowhere we have used these items. Okay,
Mm, mm.
so now you can see product has been created. Now I'm going to release the product because I'm going to use this product in somewhere.
Okay.
So when you release, click release the product, these many options are coming.
Mm,
Select product to release. Yes, I'm going to select this product to release. Click next. So you can see these many entities. Entities means these many organizations are there
mm,
in our environment. When you click here, you can see how many organizations are there. These many organizations are there. Got it? So I want to use this product in USMF. Where is the USMF and suppose INMF? Okay, these two entities I'm going to use this product. Okay, so for example, suppose you are working on company, your company having some different branches in all over the world. Okay,
yes. Yes.
so there these are the called entities. So suppose you are working this is Microsoft, you are working Microsoft product in Pune. So Microsoft is there in US, in England, so they will they want to use this product in US, so they will select this entity. Got it?
Mm,
So
mm,
click it next. So select product is one, select companies two, show info log upon failure. Suppose any failure is there, that should be yes. I want to see the failure if any is there. Run in batch. Run in batch I don't require because when you are releasing thousands of products. Okay.
mm,
So suppose I will not set the checkbox yes run in batch, then what will happen? The system will the environment will going to hang because there are multiple products. It will take time. So when you click run in batch, it will be working in the background. The products are releasing in background, but the system will not getting hang. That's why we are using a batch process. Using generally we are like that only. Got it?
okay.
So I'll just finish this one. Once you release this product,
The two companies are going to use this product. That is
yes,
what
two
this
company,
means. Yes.
INMF and USMF.
Okay.
Okay, so this product is released now. Okay, so I just copy this product. I can see here. I am going to the next tab and release product. Okay, there is option is called release product.
Mm,
Click release product. So when you are 1 second, when you are just filtering the item number or product number, I just paste here. You can see this now the product is coming to release product for using propose. Okay, so whether sales or production or whatever that you want to use, but there are some more configuration are there. I will be telling. I will be means describing shortly. Okay, so you got that. So I'm just going to INMF. You can see here whether the product is coming to INMF or not. So this is the release product details. I am just paste here. You can see that this product came to our INMF entity also. Got it?
mm, mm,
So this is the way for creating the product.
mm.
You just you got that how to create the product, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to create the product master. Product master where we are creating those
Which
product
dimension?
having product dimension, right? So the path would be product information management, products, product
Products.
master. Okay,
Yeah.
and I'm just clicking new. So these are the options are coming. So just go, you can see here product dimension group is showing mandatory field. You
Mm,
have to give some product dimension. So I'm just quickly describing in one line what is the meaning of the fields. Product type. There are two types of product are there in everywhere. Whether this is tangible or whether this is intangible. Intangible products means what? Tangible products, you know that those products you can touch, you can see, right? And intangible products means what? AC installation, AC service, bike wash. Got it? These are the intangible products. These are the called service items. Those you cannot touch, but because bike service also impacting in your finance also, right? Because they are also paying some money to us. So there
mm,
are two types of product type is there. One is item, those
mm,
you can see or you can touch. Service
mm,
item, those you
mm,
cannot see, but these also we are taking as a product. Okay, currently I'm using item, and you can see product subtype now coming product master. Okay, suppose I am using product number. Okay, na? Okay, so product 102. Suppose product name car. Okay, suppose BMW car, right? Search also same thing. Okay, retail category, whatever you want, you should give. Product dimension, I'm giving color and style. Okay,
Retail
and
category is mandatory.
no, no, retail category is not mandatory for anywhere.
Okay.
This is actually the retail department will use.
Mm.
This is generally what happen now. We should give this our item to any category. Means suppose there are thousands of products are there, so it is very difficult to search which product is there. So you
Okay.
should go to this category field, you should select this category field, and how
Mm.
many products are there, you got that. So
Okay.
just for a simpler purpose. Okay, so I've given the product dimension which color, and I told you there are three technologies are there: predefined, dimension is constraint based. Okay, so currently I'm using predefined variants, means whatever the color, whatever the style you can use. So this is a product master, I'm click it OK. When you click it OK, here also the dimension group is coming. I should select the dimension group. I should give the storage dimension is site warehouse, and tracking dimension none. Okay, I should say OK. Click it OK. Save it. So color and style. Okay, so what happened, there are two ways that, okay, we have mentioned the product dimensions, color and style. Then what happened, when you are creating, you have to give some color to the particular item. BMW car having different types of color and styles are there. Okay,
Mm.
so you have to give, where you will give, you should go to this product dimension. Okay, when you go to the product dimension, you can see whatever the product dimension you have used, these many things are coming, styles and color. So I have to click new style. Suppose how many styles are there? Let's see. Uh, okay. Yeah,
It is already predefined now. This
yeah,
type.
yeah. We have to create for car wise, because one is BMW car, one is uh, small vehicle. Okay, I just mentioned randomly small vehicle, medium, medium car, not vehicle car. Last one is heavy car. Okay, there are different types of, just I'm giving randomly something, so I just show you so I'm giving using this as a small vehicle. Okay, and just copy, give the description and name same, and I'm using whether my BMW car is heavy vehicle, 6-seater, 8-seater, like that. I'm just giving small, medium. Okay, very heavy, yeah, heavy car. Okay, so you will create, depends upon your requirement, you will create whatever. This is a manual things, and whenever you are practicing, you create n number of things, because it will not impact any flow. This is a manual things. So I'm going to color. When you are going to color, maybe this is red color. Okay, or two color is there, black color. Okay, so I'm just closing now. Now suppose this is used. Okay, so I'm now going to the product dimension you given. Now product, go to the product variants. When you go to the product variants, you can see there is no variant is there. Okay, so I'm clicking variant suggestion. When you click variant suggestion, whatever the suggestion you have created, that is showing here. So I just selected suggest all and create. Sorry, I have 1 second. Why it is not showing? I have to select style. Okay, Okay, okay. You can see whenever I have selected suggest all, these many things are coming. The product 102 car having black color heavy car, or black color small vehicle, or red color heavy car, red color small vehicle. Whatever the whatever the permutation and combination are coming, these many coming. So I have to select everything, every car. Okay, and click create. You can see now these many variants, these are called variants. One product BMW vehicle car having this many variants are there: heavy car, small vehicle, and red black color is there. So now just close the form. And there is another checkbox is there, generate variant automatically. That means I am just keeping yes, because suppose even you have released this product, but some different color and different category, different vehicle type, style of vehicle came to our market, came to our manufacturing company. So what happened, you can add, and that will be also used. Got it? In future. So now I'm going to release this product. You can see BMW car, and how many variants are there. Okay, heavy small, 4 variants. Click it next. I'm using currently is USMF only. Click next and finish it. So now suppose I'm going to product 102. Sorry, what was the product? Product 102. So, oh, this is INMF. You can see now I have not selected the INF. That's why that item is not displaying in INF entity. So I'm going to USMF. Okay, so I'm just selecting these things. Because this product is came. So this is one kind of product with dimension you have created. Another type I will tell you. Click it new. Suppose you are creating another product master. Suppose I am closing this form. I am coming from scratch. Go to the product information management, product and product master. Click it new. Suppose I am using item product master. Product is, suppose I am using product 103. Product is suppose t-shirts. Okay, so product t-shirts, maybe color and style. Okay, or color and size. I'm using now color and size, different color, different size. Click it OK. So here what happened, I will not give any product dimension or product variants. I'm just using color group here. Suppose color group, 1 second, I'll see what many colors. When you are want to see something, you should right click and view details. You'll get that. Okay, all colors. All colors means it will be very high. So I'm selecting anything, 2 3 colors are there, basic colors. Okay, so I'm just selecting basic colors, and size should be uh, casual search. Let's see how many. Okay, okay, so here what happened, you are using color group and size group, selecting this one, because here I have not given anything. Okay, you can see you don't require to mention one by one, it will come automatically. Suppose you are selecting the color group and size group, because sometimes it will be very time taken to mentioning one by one. You will create one group and select this one. So now I've given the product dimension, I should go to the product variants. So select the, if you want to select variant suggestion, it is fine, or else click new. So in new, what happened, you should select one by one size, one color description, one size, one color description, or everything should be manual. So I don't want this one. you have to select variant suggestion. So it will come everything. So currently, as of now, I have small, medium, large, and black, blue, green colors are there. Click it, suggest. Okay. So these many things are coming. Select select all and create. Okay. Mm, operation come 1 second. Uh, only one t-shirt size black. Okay, these many suggestion came here. So now I'm going to release product and next. Okay, next I'm using USMF. Next, finish. So now I'm going to the release product and I am selecting 103. Okay, it is coming here. So here what happened, we have created product and product master. Where is that product? Product and product master. Got it, Vinod?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Ganji.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Hi.
Vinod, could you please try and share your screen and create these two items? This is very important. So Gandhi, just let him do this and then
Yeah.
you can go for the next topic.
Yes, sure.
Vinod, you can hear?
Yeah, yes. One
So
second.
you
I will
can
share
share
you.
your screen and show all these activity.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Vinod, we can hear you.
Okay. You can see now, sir.
Yes,
Okay. I was disconnected.
no problem. You can speak up while creating the item that what exactly you are trying to create.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, Vinod,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Go ahead.
Tell me.
So my product is item.
Okay, right.
So a product name, that search name, and product number I have given.
Okay.
So hope it is okay.
Yeah. You can go ahead.
Yeah. So this is without dimensions.
Right. I mean, I just tell you that don't give the
Mm.
batch number, because you
Uh,
are using the normal warehouse, na, site and warehouse. So there, actually, generally we are not giving batch number product. We are giving only none. Your serial number, batch number, generally we are using these items. Those are using in advanced warehouse.
okay.
Okay,
So
you should
so
give
what
none
will?
only in tracking dimension, because
Mm.
what happens, you are giving the batch number physically. Okay, that means
Mm.
you are tracking this item through base number. Okay,
Yeah.
but how you track, because you have given only site and warehouse. So those
Mm.
items giving base number means these items will be used in advanced warehouse, means all the site, warehouse, location, base number,
Mm.
serial. Generally
Mm.
this is the business scenarios. Okay,
Okay. Now, if I
so
give batch and physical dimension, what will happen? Oh, wait.
nothing will happen, nothing will happen.
Oh.
Whenever you are using this, actually what happened,
Mm.
suppose you should give the base physical means base number. You will use this item at the time of
Mm.
creating the purchase or sales order. You should give the site, warehouse and base number.
Okay.
Okay, so that will not, this is not the process actually.
Mm.
So you should give none only. When we will discussing about the advanced warehouse management, that time we will give the base number.
Okay.
Okay.
So it depends on the item to item, I guess.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
want to track the dimension, track the item with batch, like medical production, they need every batch to be tracked. It depends on requirement, whether you need the batch or not.
No, hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Gandhi, but no, if I give this batch number, when we
Mm-hmm.
create production order, sale order, there only it is required.
Yes, yes. When
Yes.
actually whatever these
Every time,
things.
I mean,
Yeah.
every transaction related to that atom,
Mm.
whenever it moves or it entry or it move from here to there, every time you need to provide the tracking dimension, whatever you given, either
Okay.
batch or any other,
No,
that you,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
if
yeah.
I give tracking dimension also, there is no problem, right? Right now.
No problem, no problem. This is nothing
Okay.
impacting
Okay.
anything, but
no,
as per
no,
the
wait, you can see what I suggest. First,
Mm.
understand and do what he has taught. Once you
Okay.
want to learn about more about tracking dimension all, he will take a session that particularly that okay, this is the use of tracking dimension, how you do, because you need to create the details of batch, how to create
Mm.
batch. Means you have to go more deeper.
Okay.
First you have to create the batch and all. So take one by one
Mm.
and then you configure accordingly. You understand
Okay.
what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
To go step by step.
so you are using that you are using date entity. You can see that in the top left
Yeah, yeah,
date
yeah.
entity is there. But you
Mm.
okay, no issue. You have released this item to USMF na, so you should change this one.
USMF and INF. Yeah.
I know. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, now you have created the product. Now second one, the product master.
Product master.
Yeah.
So this, what is this configuration technology? Yes.
These are the something means last time also I told you there are three types of configuration
Yeah,
technologies,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. So constraint based like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Constant based, dimension based.
Dimension based and predefined. Okay.
Predefined, yeah, is generally we are using. You can use means n number of means what color, size, style, whatever it is. There
Yep.
is no restriction.
Okay. Hello.
Huh.
This style group.
Okay, you have select some style group. You can yeah. So you can select any style group, because if you want to select one, under one group there are a number of things are there. Okay, that's fine. Just if you want to see, just go to the end of that box and click, right click and view details. Yes, not there, not the, yeah, there. Yeah, not shortcut. Should just scroll, just move the cursor bit left. Close this one. Yeah, just the arrow button is there, na drop down button. There
Yeah.
you can, yeah. There you,
Oh.
and view details. If you want to see anything, just right click and view. You can see here in this group there are three things are there. Okay.
Big creator control.
Yeah. If you want to see the right color details, yeah, there, right view details. Okay. Now you should save the form. Yes. Now go to the variant suggestion, just or product dimension, product dimension. In the action pen, the product dimension is there. Top, yeah, above.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you can see that all these styles and colors are coming.
Mm.
Okay. Now close the form. And go to the variants, product variants. Yes. So now there is no variants are there. You can select variant suggestion. You should click
Yes.
new
Yes.
create or a variant suggestion. So these many things are there. If you want to suggest something, then you have to select, then suggest or suggest all. Now select the, you have selected only the, wait, you have selected
Colors.
only the colors. You have to
Colors.
select
Style.
something, yeah, something, right, style
No, but
also.
automatically it has come here.
It came automatically. Okay, it's fine.
But yeah.
Okay, fine. If coming, then fine. That's coming all actually. Okay, calculate. Okay, these many variants are there for the particular product.
No, this is what is this weight and all 9.
Total weight, yeah, means they've already given the particular item what is the weight, 9 gram
Okay.
or 6 gram, like that.
Okay. Based on color.
Yeah, based on the color and size,
Color
style.
and size.
Yeah.
Here also we need to do release.
Yes, everything has completed means you have to release the product for next uses. And this form only for your verification, what you did actually, is it coming correct or not.
Hmm.
If you want to know more details, just go back, click the back button. That in the below. Back, next back. Yeah. If you want to more, then you can select the product details also. It will be displayed everything. Suppose you want to select the product details in the top.
Yeah.
In the, yeah, there. You can see again. It will come to here. Product details. Okay. Now close the form and go there. Yeah.
If I unclick this, what will happen? This include product master is there.
Yeah, this because you are using you are creating the product master.
Product master, yeah.
Yes, if you select no, then it will not use as product master. When you are practicing, you should now you should click next, but when you will practicing, you should select no, yes, make it different way. You
Okay.
should practice. Okay.
So I will practice. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't make it run in batch, because for batch running it will take time.
Okay.
When you practice, you should using run in batch. Okay.
No,
After that, yeah.
but you told no.
These
While
nine items, 10 items is okay, because batch processing we are generally using thousands or two
yeah.
thousands of items.
Okay.
But when you are practicing, you should do one thing. Click run in batch. After that, I will show you. Just click finish it. I'll show you that. Okay, now this item also created. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just tell you that suppose you click the run in batch, you should go to the system administration. Okay,
Mm.
after that there is one thing is their batch job. I'll show you 1 second. Setup. No, not there. Where is the periodic task? 1 second. I'll batch. Whatever you want, you should mention it. It will come in the search. So there is a thing. Is there a batch? Okay, system enquiries. So in what is the path? System administration, inquiries, batch job. Okay. So there, what are the batch jobs are running? It will display here. You should filter your name created by or run by. You should filter your name. What are the Gmail you have given? Mention it and apply it so that you will see that the batch job is running or not. Okay. You'll practice when we will practicing. You will do that same thing. Okay. So now come to these things. So I'm coming to the release product. So whatever these items we have created as of now, it is created, but it is not created fully that we will use in further. Okay. So I'll open just one item, product 102. So I have created this product, but this is not totally created, fully created, because suppose I'm just opening this item. Open. Okay. You can see there are multiple tabs are there, multiple tabs, number of tabs are there. So you should go to this product and validate this product. It will throw the error.
Yeah.
Okay, it will throw the error
Validate like.
because because
Yes.
it is not using, it is not, some fields we have not given, and those fields are mandatory, just like item group and item model group. You should know that whenever any interview will ask you, these two fields are very much important when you are creating the item. So
Yeah.
we'll discuss what is that. So I'm going to product information management. So what happened when okay, product and product master we have created. So it will be taking time. You should create product and product master, but there is another option is called release product, where you are releasing the product, then only you can see in the release products. Okay, so I'm just clicking the release product. So it is better that you will create any product here. It is better because why I'm telling you, click new.
Here also we can create. Huh?
Yeah, here also you can create. Here actually you can see product type is item and service. Product subtype is product and product master. Both things are there at a time.
Okay.
So here also you can create. But why I'm suggesting there, because from scratch, when beginner, you should use product and product master, because whenever you are giving the variants, you should use the product master. But suppose you're creating the product here, you should create the product master, and for variants again you will go another tab and give the variants. That will be sometime you will be done some mistake. So whenever from beginner, you should use this path only. Okay, product and product master. But I will tell you why we are using the release product. Suppose I am giving the product type as item, clicking as a product, no dimension. Suppose I am giving the product 104 something. I'm just giving randomly. Product name, search name. Okay. Here you can see every item model group, item group, storage dimension, tracking dimension. But these two things I will let you inform later on when we are discussing advanced warehouse management. Because for advanced warehouse management, reservation hierarchy, unit sequence group, that will be using. Okay, currently I'm not using, but when it is required, I will tell you that. So you can see here when I'm creating the product and release product tab, product number I've given, product name I've given, name also given, item number, it will come automatically, search name will come automatically. Retail category, if you require, you should give. These things I will let you inform later on. So there are two things is there, item group and item model group. Okay. So I just quickly tell you because these are the finance thing, but I will just give you some scenarios, some things. Okay. Because generally I'm telling you item model group is very much important for creating the product and everywhere. And each portion is important as this item model group is important. Got it? So you should know, I'm just giving one line wise because this is totally finance. When accounting means calculation, everything they will that time you will learn, but I will tell you something. Okay. So what is item model group? Item model group is nothing but you are calculating the items in which manner. So for example, there are number of options are there, you can see here. I'm using FIPO. Okay. So the first inventory policy, stock product is there. Stock product means what we know. There are two things is there. One is stock product and one is non-stock product. Okay.
Stockable and non-stockable.
Stockable, non-stockable.
Yes.
Stockable product means the inventory is there. You can see
Yeah.
the inventory. Non-stockable product means you can't see the inventory. For example, okay, I will show you. It's better. Stockable product is everywhere, everything. Okay. Which you want to see these items, which is tangible items, you can see the stockable products. In non-stockable items, service items. Because service item will not, the on-hand inventory will not display. Okay.
Yeah.
The service item will not display. But if means you are saying, suppose this checkbox set yes, that means you will use in tangible item or items. Suppose this checkbox is no, you will use in service items. But you can ask me every time, so service item is stockable items and non-stockable items? No. You can suppose you can use this checkbox yes, and you can use service item as well. Doesn't matter.
As a
But,
stockable.
yeah. But
Yeah.
what happened? Service item on hand inventory will not be displayed. Okay.
On hand inventory, it will not show.
It will not show the on hand inventory. How many quantities are there? What is the quantity? How many physically quantities are available? Okay.
But even though we have given as a stocked product.
Yes, we can say a stockable product.
Okay.
But
the physical inventory, it will not show.
Physical inventory, it will not display. So what happened? So when you will create this model group and you are practicing, you do one thing, three things you have to do. First, you can select this one, use one item, deselect this one, use one service item, select this one and use one service item. Got it? Three things you have to practice. So first thing, you select with item. Okay. And select this service item and not select this service item. You should practice these three things. Okay. I will show you today, means at the end of the class I will show you where you will use, so that when you are practicing you will know the overall scenario. I will just complete this one. Okay. So got the stockable products and non-stockable products, right? So now coming to the cost price, I'll give you one because these are the finance things. Even I don't know the depth, because but I'm telling you this, everything, every portion is very depth scenarios are there. So I think you belong to finance, you get easily know this one. So include physical value and fixed price. Fixed price, let it be. Include physical value, I'm telling you. For purchase order, product receipt is the physical value. For sales order, packing slip is the physical value, which we'll discuss in later class. And for production order, item consuming is the physical value. Suppose you set checkbox yes. Okay, what happened? This product receipt also included in this product inventory model calculation. Because generally what happened when you are creating the purchase order, so the P2P life cycle, inside the P2P purchase life cycle, first create the purchase order. Okay. And then confirm the purchase order, approve the create, confirm, then create the product receipt. Okay. product receive nothing but item deliver. Okay, then invoice. So generally everyone is knowing that when we are creating the invoice, then only it will be calculating in our whether this is FIFO model or weighted average model, what are the models. But include physical value means even the invoice will be calculated, the product receipt also will be used as an inventory calculation. Got it? So this is include physical value. Got that idea what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So ledger integration, nothing but when you are using this physical value, product receipt or packing slip or item consuming, that will impact in your in finance ledger integration also, ledger level also, finance level also. Okay. And post financial inventory, suppose checkbox yes, whatever, suppose this item model group you are using the particular item creation, and suppose you are creating purchase order or sales order, this whatever things is happening, this will means this is the connection between the inventory and finance. The meaning of this post finance inventory is that whatever you are doing transaction, it will be connecting with finance and inventory ledger. Got it? Suppose you deselect this one, that will be disconnected the linkage. Got it? In the finance, because generally we are not removing this checkbox, no, but sometimes I have used somewhere, I can't recall the scenario. We have removed this finance inventory. Means, for example, I am telling you, where I have used. Sometimes what happen in our manufacturing, some things you have used in your pocket. You don't want to this cost in your organization finance level. That time you have to deselect this one, but this things you have used in your project. Got that? Got that now? What I'm trying to say?
Oh.
Got it? Na?
Yeah.
There we are using the post finance inventory. So these things is there. Inventory models are there. FIFO, LIFO. I think you know these things. Weighted average, average day, standard cost, moving average cost. That we'll discuss in the inventory module. And there are two things: is there physical negative inventory, financial negative inventory. Physical negative inventory means what? Suppose sometimes in your inventory item is not there, means item is negative, but suppose this checkbox is set yes, you will sell the item even we don't have item.
Okay.
For example, what happened, you are one manufacturing company and you know that some items in our production level and it is producing, it will be released within 2 days, and you got a order from customer, I need 100 t-shirts, but you know that this is producing in our production order and it will release within 2 days. At the time you should select this physical negative inventory, but you know within 2 days it will be released and you can create a sales order. So when the production release the item, you will sell it, it will be match all the things. Got it? Because we have inventory level, we have negative items, but we can sell the items.
No, I didn't understand.
Okay. So what happened, suppose in inventory means stock. Okay, stock, one item is there, suppose A0001, and in stock is minus 100 items is there. Okay, but customer want 50 items or 100 items, whatever it is. When you go to, when you creating the sales order, okay, you see that I don't have item, but customer requested, but you know that these items is under production and will release within 2 days.
Okay.
So what you will do, you should select this checkbox set yes,
Okay.
and create the sales order and sell to the item.
Okay.
But
Okay.
in 2 days when it will be released, it will adjusted the in stock. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
There we are using
Got it.
this physical negative inventory.
Okay.
Financial negative inventory means suppose this is PO vendor, okay, and this is sales order, suppose customer. So financial negative inventory means what? When you click the checkbox set yes, suppose you purchase one item, okay, purchase one item and receive the item, but still the invoicing has not done. But you can suppose A0001 item is there. You purchase this item from this vendor and receive the item. but creating the without invoicing or payment, you can sell to this item to the customer. Got it?
No, how we can sell then?
Suppose I can say that you purchase this item. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose 100 quantities. You receive this item,
Yeah.
but when it will be generally when it will be released, when we have done the invoicing and payment terms,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But when this checkbox set yes, financial negative inventory, what happened?
Mm.
Without invoicing this vendor payment,
Mm.
we can
Mm.
sell to this item to customer.
Okay.
Okay, this is the meaning for the checkbox.
Okay. When we invoice, that stock it is going to adjust this financial.
Yes, right. You should do this. I will tell you. You know this how we will create the purchaser and sales order in Dynamics. I'm asking you, Vinod, whether you
No.
know this process or not, creating the purchaser and sales order.
No. 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 I don't.
No? I will tell you the purchaser how it is creating, and
Mm.
whatever I taught you, you should practice
Okay.
clicking every checkbox and practice the purchase and sales order. Got it?
Okay. No.
I just complete this one. This thing is completed. Okay.
Mm.
Quarantine management. Actually, what happened? Quarantine management is nothing but suppose you have received A0001 item from vendor.
Mm.
So you should when you received, what you will do, you should check the quality check whether item those items which we have received is
Mm.
correct or not, or
Okay.
good condition or not.
Okay.
So that time we'll click quarantine management. I will let you inform this one in inventory management.
Okay.
Okay. Coming to this physical update, registration requirement, receiving requirement. So suppose clicking this top two is using purchase order and this below two is using sales order. Suppose I am using this registration requirement checkbox yes. At the time of creating purchase order, registration is mandatory. Suppose receiving requirements set yes, then at the time of purchase order, product receipt is mandatory for you. Same as when I'm set the checkbox picking requirement yes, then picking registration at the time of creating sales order is mandatory for you. Deduction requirement, when I set the checkbox yes, then packing slip is mandatory for you. Okay, these things are the for that item model group. You should go one by one. I'm telling you, I will show you at the end how to create the purchase order P2P lifecycle. I will show you. So whatever I taught you, select one by one and check. And where you will check, I will tell you. Where you will check, what is impact in your finance level, I will tell you. Okay. I just close this form. So I'm just as of now I'm using item model group is FIPO. Okay. And item group, right click and build. Item group is nothing but you should this is the group of similar items. You can see. Okay. You can see what happened. This is nothing but you can see in finance level, which suppose you are using this item group, what is impacting and in which main account it is impacting. Got it na? In finance level, you are belongs to finance background, right?
No. No. No.
Not finance. Okay.
Yeah.
So generally what happens, suppose you are using this item group.
Mm.
So what happened when you are creating sales order, which main account it is impacting? When suppose this item is delivered, which main account it is impacting? Finance impacting. When it is invoice, which main account is impacting? For everything we have some main accounts in finance level. Okay, this is called item group. This is actually generally the finance teams is creating, and you should use only. This is for sales order, this is purchase order, this is inventory, and this is production. Four things are there. One is purchase, sales order, purchase order, inventory, and production. So you can see we can use this item group one item, so that whatever the transaction or whatever the things is happening in the at the time of purchase order, sales order, production, and which main account it will be impacting. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I am currently using this item model group is audio, and storage dimension I'm using as site warehouse. Tracking dimension I'm using as none. Okay, it should give inventory unit. Unit means whether this item will calculate the each or pieces or gram or milliliter, whatever it is.
Okay.
So this item I'm in inventory level in our my stock, I'm using each. Purchase unit, I'm using each. Sales unit also, when I'm selling, I will unit select as each. Bomb level also, these are not required. So I'm giving some price. My purchase price for this particular item is $10, selling price is $20, and inventory level, inventory movement or inventory activity, it is 15. Okay, so $5 I'm getting profit. So click it OK. Okay, so this now is go to the product and validate the product. Now you can see everything has been configured. Your item is now ready for use. So I am telling you, when you have created this item, you should go each means what field. What is region? I'll tell you the region hierarchy. What is counting region code policies? In purchaser, you can see the number of things are there. Generally, we are not using all the fields, but whenever we will use, you should check this one. Okay, in promote, what is promote level, what is delivery level, what is sales level, number of fields are there. Got it, Vinod?
Yeah.
You should go all the fields. Wherever you have doubt, you should ping me through WhatsApp. I will let you inform what is that. So now I will tell you the flow, because you got that idea how the product is creating, right?
Yeah.
But you don't know how to use and how will I get the solution result, because you have created the product.
Yeah.
But something, when you are creating, you need the result. Then only
Yeah.
you will know that, yeah, this product which I have created is correct or not.
Yeah.
So once you see very carefully, once you created the product in release product, okay, you should go to the somewhere. I will tell you detail in further classes, but I will tell you, go to the procurement sourcing, consignment procurement category. Okay, click here. So where you have gone, go to the procurement sourcing, consignment procurement category, right? So you should add this item in any category. I'm add this item in vehicle car. There is a product tab is there. Click add. This is product 104. 104. Okay. Select this one and you selected product. Okay. Now this has been done. Now you should know how it is impacting. So I will now see very carefully, because this is the next class. Next class, I will tell you how to creating the this procurement sourcing module. But for your practice purpose, I will tell you, once product created and you have add this product in procurement category, okay, or else purchase, 1 second. Okay, so once you've done that, go to the purchase order, all purchase order. Got it? When all the class will be completed, then you will know why we are creating these things. So go to the procurement sourcing, purchase order, all purchase order, click new. Then one purchase order creation inquiry form came. So I'm going to purchase this item for this vendor. I'm using this vendor. Okay, so the vendor details will be coming automatically. Okay, so I'm using, so suppose warehouse is 24. Okay, so click it OK. I'm using my product 104. Okay, I'm using this product. I'm going to buy. There is a variant number are there because I have not created any variant. So let it be. So I am going to purchase 1,000 quantity, and I've given the unit price 10. Okay, 10. Net amount is this one. And go to the below line details. Go to the product. So suppose you ask me that, if suppose I've given the batch, what will happen here? You have to give the batch number. Got it?
Okay.
Suppose you have
Yes.
selected the tracking number as batch. Suppose license plate you should give. Okay. So this is normal product. So just I am going to save it. So this is my product. Okay. In product you can see manage inventory, on hand inventory. Okay. You should explore all the things. Then only, because I will show you something. You can see in inventory there is nothing is there. Okay, nothing is there. But whenever I created a line, here also on and stock is showing 1,000. Okay, so in P2P life cycle, what happened? I created one line, go to the purchase and generate confirmation. So I have to confirm the purchase order. Click it OK. Okay, it is now confirmed. You can see the status is showing confirmed. You should go to the header also. Whenever you are practicing, you should explore all the things. You should know all the things. What is the document status? What is the approval status showing here? So go to the lines. And now what happened? The first step is create the, go to the purchase order, give the vendor name, warehouse and site and warehouse, click it OK. Come to this form, give some line, give the item, and then quantity, price, what are the things. Now go to the purchase, give the confirmation. Now go to the receipt tab, product receipt. So suppose randomly I'm giving product receipt. So I'm telling you in that in item model group, suppose this checkbox, when you are practicing, I'll tell you one by one. Suppose this checkbox set yes. Okay, now currently the checkbox is yeah, yes. Now include physical value is yes. You can see here now what happened. I'm just creating the product receipt. So this product receipt also will be impacting at the time in inventory calculation. You just open one and use one checkbox and creating one purchase order so that you can see how it is impacting and what is happening. Okay, now item has been received. Go to the product receipt journal. Let's see what happened. Okay, so voucher. It will create. So now what happened? It will create. So now product receipt has been received. Now go to the invoice. Click invoice, generate invoice. This is the purchase order process. Okay. So when you will create one item, you can see whether this item created correct or not. Got it, Binod? So what I told you today.
Yeah. So I will practice. Then only I will come to know.
Yeah. Whenever you will create the item, add in this procurement category, or else it will throw an error. So this is the invoice page. I will give on invoice number 001 and invoice description not required. Give invoice date something, and now update match status. When you click update match status, the match status should be pass. Then only it will. Now is pass. Now post the invoicing. This is the normal flow. Okay. So now I will show you how it is impacting, where it is impacting finance level. Okay, now you can see that the vendor invoice posting success completed. Now suppose I'm going to invoice and invoice journal. You can see the invoice journal has been created. Go to the voucher. It will come, it will come, it will take some time, it will come. What the item group? Yeah, I've taken this item group, right? People, okay. So it will come, it will take some time. You can see the product receipt journal. Let's see. Voucher. Yeah, now product receipt came. Okay, because I have used this item model group include physical value. Okay, so now you can see you should go to this in action pane in the top of the purchase order, receipt and journal, product receipt journal. Now go to the voucher. You can see how it is impacting this product receipt also. It is impacting in finance level. Okay, when it will be using in the inventory calculation, it will be also used. So I'm going to the invoice. 1 second. Go to the invoice and invoice journal. Let's see now it is coming or not. Voucher. No, it is not coming, but it will come. Where is that? It will come, it will take some time. This is the transaction. Okay, why the voucher is not coming? Okay, let's wait for some time. It will come automatically. Where is that? Yeah. Because product receipt has come. Product receipt has come. I don't know. I have to check why it is not come, but the transaction also will be displayed here. Okay, I'll let you inform. But this you can see. Okay, when you practice, you can see the vouchers, how it is impacting. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's wait for some time. Oh, it is. Oh, yeah, it is invoice. One second. Okay, I have to check this. You can see this type of transaction will be displayed. It will take some time. Okay, in finance level also this will be transaction will be displayed. I have no idea why this things is not coming. I don't know why it is not coming. Let's see. I have to check why it is not coming. Okay, you'll try, Vinod, when you are practicing now. You have to check. It will come. It will come automatically. Will come. I don't know. Something missed out or something. No, it is not coming. Yes. Okay, so this is all about this product information management. You should go one by one. Okay, go to these things. You can explore when, because this is the basic things. Okay,
Okay.
so you should go one by one. What is product by category means? Whatever the procurement category I told you, same as product by category. You are assigning a product one under one category, because the basic things is that I will tell you, but